Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize our battery performance on Android smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down to find the battery and device care. And this is the battery and device care settings, so just click on it. And after that, if you want to optimize your battery performance, you just need to click on optimize now right here. But since my battery performance has been optimized, so I can't click on this option. Okay, and if we want to save our battery power, we just need to click on battery option right here. And wait guys. Okay, and after that, you can select a background usage limit to limit battery usage for apps that you don't use often, and make sure that you activate this feature by clicking on the circle button. Okay, and if you want to extra save your battery, you can turn on the power saving mode. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate that mode. Okay, so just tap on it, and this is the screen look if you activate your power saving mode. Okay guys, and that's how we can optimize our battery performance on Android smartphone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.